you're doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Flutter package, pub package. As you can see, I'm on the home page of pub.dev. There are listed the packages developed by people like me. We developer use this package in our application, so we did not have to rebuild the things that already have done before. It really makes developer life simple and easy. So today I'm going to show you how you can publish your own package in pub.dev. So as you can see, in the simulator I had a button, and inside this button there is an icon and the relevant name, so user can have an idea what the functionalities of this button. So it has on press, it has as you can see there are some elevation there. So basically I will show you how you can make this widget as a Flutter package and publish it to the pub.dev. So any developer can use it with the minimum use of codes. I think it will be helpful for them that they did not have to consider any design, any overthinking. They just integrate this package in their application and they are ready to go use it. Let's do it. So before starting, I'm gonna tell you something. This video will have couple of parts. So at the beginning I will show you how you can create a Flutter package. Then you will upload it to a GitHub repository. Then you will test it in your app. If you find everything is okay, then we will publish it to pub.dev. So as you can see, why I decided to upload it GitHub first, because as you can see, recently I created a Flutter package which is search map location. Using this you can with Google Places API you can search, autocomplete your search result there. So it has all this instruction and everything documented there. So same thing we will also create. And as you can see, if you go to the right side, you can see the repository GitHub. If I click on this, it will redirect me to the my GitHub repository where I placed my code. So as you can see, also there is some documentation and the code. You can see all the relevant codes are there. So first after creating the package, we will first publish it to the GitHub, then we'll publish to the pub.dev. So I will show you with all the instruction part by part. You have to continue the videos and let's begin creating a new Flutter package. So for creating Flutter package, you have to go to the new, then new Flutter project, and then select the next. So you have to give the name of your package. So I'm giving my name, material rounded button. So this will be packaging. This package will be saved in Flutter package. I will put this inside a Flutter folder, not the package button folder. So I correct the name. New description is okay, and the project type, so you need to, this is not application, right? So we are creating a flutter package, pub package, so we need to select module package plugin package. Okay, rest things are okay. Let's finish. The project directory material rounded button does not exist, it will be created. Okay, create. So it's taking time, it will create eventually. Okay, new window. Okay, our project is now ready to use. So these are the dummy code they added. We will remove them because we are not creating this and will not use it anymore. So removing it, then we'll create another directory and name it widget. Basically we are creating a widget because the button is a widget, so we will put this in a widget folder, then we will use it. Just follow me. Okay, so as you can see, I use material rounded button app. So I use the same code to make this package. So if you see the app code, there is a dot file material rounded items, then here I created the buttons and the code. So basically I will copy the whole things and put in our package project. So let's copy, then paste it in our widget directory. So it's done. Here is showing some error. Let's check it. Oh, we removed the class and it's not finding the class, so we remove the code because we are not using this anymore. It will remove the error, and also this class is not useful here, also remove it. Removing it, then what we will need to do. Okay, as you can see, there is no main folder. Basically when you create a package, there will be no main.file. So we need to export our library code so that when someone use our package, they will get the name material rounded button here. So let's export material rounded button widget. Inside widget, what's the file name? Material rounded items. So material rounded items. Okay, so all things are done. We had no dependency because all the things we used here is raw. So we can now put it to a Git repository. Okay, let's add it to the Git. As you can see, I already created a Git repo which name is material rounded button. So I will add this remote repo to my local project and push the commits here. So let's do it. Okay, here is our material rounded button package folder. In here we will open our git bash. So let's check it if it is a git repo or not. Git status, and it's saying it is not a git repository, so we will add a git repo here by using git init. So it's now a git repository. So now check what is this status. Lots of untracked file, let's add them all. So git add all, so the change has been added. Let's commit git commit, and what is the commit name? Okay, initial release. Okay, so now add this local repo to the remote repository we created in GitHub. So how we can do this? We can instead of this main here, but we'll place the main to master. Let's create a branch, and so I will not make this branch name main, I will make it master. Okay, then I will add the remote. Okay, so the remote has been added. So let's push all the change to this repository. So git push -u origin. So we use master instead of main, so we'll type master here. Okay, so all the codes have been pushed to this remote repository. Let's check, trying to reload this repository. Okay, so as you can see, our material rounded button package has been pushed to the git repository. So in this next video I will show you how you can use this repository as your Flutter dependency. By doing this, we will test this package, and if you find it really useful without any bug, we will publish it to the pub.dev. Okay, until the next video, take care of yourself. See you to the next video. Thank you very much.